Hi, my name is Catherine Gutierrez. I'm the Product Marketing Manager at Matrox Video. We're here today at InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas, and we are at the Matrox booth. And we're really excited because we are launching our brand new Matrox Maevex MGX product line, which is our newest series of encoders and decoders. So this is a high compression encoding and decoding technology. It's IPMX ready, meaning that you can send H.264 or H.265 IPMX streams across the network. It also has keyboard and mouse integration, meaning you can send keyboard and mouse signals across your network, making it a great solution for collaboration across a campus or across a building or wherever your two seats are. So it could also do multi-output support, meaning you can send out your IPMX stream or send out in parallel at the same time a separate stream. So it saves on equipment, it's less expensive and easier on your network. All of this, because it's high compression, goes on 1 gig infrastructure at incredibly low bandwidth, and you can achieve really low latency numbers, like we're talking 1 to 2 frames of latency end to end. And this is because we have our brand new Matrox IQ mode, which is a new sort of compression technology from Matrox. So it's possible between compatible Matrox products, and it allows you to get that really high level performance. So you have the flexibility of going over the network using the open standards like IPMX, but then also bring that to the next level and boost it with the Matrox IQ mode now available with the MGX products. So here on demo, we're showing 2 rooms that are collaborating and sharing this high quality 444 4K 60 content from the left to the right, and then we're comparing it to your typical UCC platforms, so like Teams, Zoom, WebEx, all that, and then we're showing the difference in quality. So if you have a Teams setup, a Zoom setup, people collaborating over these types of platforms, but you find that your image quality is just not enough, or maybe sharing a mouse and keyboard is just not as fluid or as intuitive as you would like it to be, I think Matrox Maevex MGX would be an excellent complement to your existing collaboration solution for those people or those rooms that need that extra boost of performance. So if you want a way to enhance your existing workflow and try to make your collaboration more seamless in a corporate environment or higher education, or really anytime you're running a team session, sharing the same types of documents, please reach out to us. We'd love to talk to you about your workflows and your projects, schedule a virtual demo maybe, and if you want more information, check us out on our website or follow us on socials. Thanks.